So one way to avoid probate altogether for the surviving spouse is to have a community property agreement, which transfers all the property to the surviving spouse. It's a legal document signed by both spouses and establishes that all present and future assets acquired during the marriage are community property. Make sure you click the like button and we can get this out to more viewers just like you. Washington is a community property state, meaning that most assets, if not all, acquired during a marriage are jointly owned by both spouses. However, separate property includes assets owned before the marriage or received as a gift or inheritance. There are several advantages of a community property agreement. It avoids probate for the surviving spouse if properly drafted and recorded. And it doesn't have to be recorded while you're alive, but recorded after you pass away. A community property agreement ensures that assets pass directly to the surviving spouse without the need for probate. Have to go through probate if your spouse passes away, but it's unnecessary typically, because everything is just going to be assumed that it's going to go to the spouse. So spouses get surprised, like, wow, I have to go through probate if my estate's over $100,000. It's like, typically you do. So a clear agreement, which is the community property agreement, eliminates uncertainty about assets classification. And if it were to come up that there's a contention as far as there being community or separate property, then you just present the original community property agreement, or you say that you provide a certified copy of it, or you provide the recorded copy of it with an affidavit of community property saying that you signed this community property agreement, your spouse has passed away, here's the death certificate, everything should transfer to the surviving spouse. So with the community property agreement, it can simplify the estate administration, specifically with what we're talking about here, making it very clear for heirs and surviving spouses. So the surviving spouse can bypass the probate process, typically saving them time and legal costs. So a CPA is especially useful when spouses want to ensure seamless transfer of assets, removes ambiguity, and strengthens the surviving spouse's claim in court. Consulting with an attorney to draft and execute your community property agreement can provide a really good long-term plan. If you are a surviving spouse dealing with a probate, legal guidance can really streamline the process, make it as the process can actually be completed, because it is very procedural and very onerous to go through the entire process. It's not something that can be wrapped up within weeks or even months. An attorney can help you with that. So contact a Washington probate attorney and protect what you have during that process. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click the subscribe button.